Happy Monday, everyone. In today's Monday Moment, I wanted to talk about how to handle the emotional stress after you've been injured in a car accident. So, the reality is you're injured and you now have to start going to appointments and you want to figure out how do you get your vehicle repaired? How long is it going to take for you and your body to be repaired? And you just want it all to happen right away. But that doesn't generally happen that way. And so those are going to cause additional stressors into your life, both physically, but also mentally too. And the reality is that mental component of it is just as important as the physical component. It's so important that you take care of yourself mentally because you're going to have stressors coming up because you want to be able to do things the way that you did them prior to the accident happening. But it's just not going to be able to rush through and happen that way. You want to be able to not have inconveniences come up, like having to go to appointments instead of missing work. But that's not going to happen either. So then what do you do? The reality is you need a good support system around you. If it's your family or friends, you need people that you can talk to. But then also you need to take a step back at times. If you're trying to handle the case on your own and talk to insurance companies, you need to take a step back before you talk to them. You need to have a plan in place. So if it's before you talk to them, you have a bullet point list to follow. So that way your emotions don't get the best of you and you say something that hurts your case. And then additionally too, if you do get to a spot, the other thing we always recommend, obviously, because we're a law firm, is hire an attorney and a legal team to help take a lot of that stress off for you. And then the other thing too that we always look at is if you are at a spot where therapy or counseling would be helpful, we highly recommend that as part of your treatment plan. So don't feel like you should just take all the burden of it all on your own shoulders right there. Because the other thing too, that if you don't handle that emotional stress side of it, then you could potentially end up shutting down, missing treatment, and hurting your case in the long run. And not only hurting your case, but also hurting your body and hurting your mind. And you don't want to do that either. So it's so important that you take care of yourself mentally, that you address your mental component, and your issues that you're having, your stressors, because not only are the things that you have to do to get better stressful, but talking to the insurance company can be extremely stressful. So you want to make sure that you have that plan in place. And if you need help with a plan, contact us here at Springs Law Group. We can help you come up with a plan on how to deal with the insurance companies and help take some of that stress off your plate for you. So that's my thought for today's Monday Moment. How do you handle the emotional stress after you've been in an accident? If you all have any questions at all, feel free and reach out to us. Phone number's in the bottom corner. Happy to talk to you all about it. Hope everybody's having a good day, and we will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye now.